Hai, Assalamualaikum and good evening to my respected lecturer, Prof. Madiah Dr. Muhammad Azrahiri bin Ibrahim. My name is SITI NORHUMAIRAH binti Muhammad HUSSAIN. My metric number A21B3096. I and with my group member, we are present about our report assignment. Business mathematics consists of mathematical concepts related to business. It comprises mainly profit, loss and interest. Business mathematics final formulas, measurement which help to calculate profit, interest rate, tax calculation, salary calculation which is help to finish the business task effectively. The first objective in carry out this assignment is to learn and gain a better understanding of the topic studied in AFT 1103 Business Mathematics. Having an advantage of understanding in this topic will have a good impact in business. The preparation of this method is also easy step to identify learning in business. The second objective is to learn more about how to systematically summarize employee salary in a company, which is the way of the summarizing the employee salary is very good in business management and being able to take care and organize the withdrawal of the amount for the employee or amount and receive in a fair manner to the employee according to their work rate.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Maisarah binti Rameli and my metric number is A218287. Company information. The name of our company is Snappy Shoes Central Berhad. It was built at number 27 Jalan Berangan, 86000 Keluang Johor on 26 October 2016. The owner of our company is IZNI binti AZMAN and the type of the business is sole proprietorship. Next, this is the payroll report for Snappy Shoes Central Berhad. There are 10 employee names with different departments: hourly rate, regular hours, overtime hours, regular pay, overtime pay, commission, piecework earning, and gross pay. The rates for overtime is 1.5, commission rate is 10%, and rate per unit is RM1.50. The total of gross pay is RM7,865.25. Next, the calculation. For the wages or regular pay calculation, the example is from IZNI details, which is from administration department. The formula is gross earning equal to hourly rate multiplied with number of hours worked. So 13 ringgit multiplied with 40 hours equal to 520 ringgit. For overtime, the example is from HUSSAIN details, which is from marketing department. The formula is overtime pay equal to overtime rate multiplied with overtime hours worked. So in a bracket, 11 ringgit multiplied with 1.5, then multiply with 10 hours. The equals is 165 ringgit. For commission, the example is from SOLEHAH details, which is from sales department. The formula is commission equal to total sales multiplied with commission rate. So 12 ringgit multiplied with 10% equal to 1,200. For piecework, the example is from Inshirah details, which is from production department. The formula is gross pay equal to number of units produced multiplied with rate per unit. So 300 units of shoes multiplied with 1 ringgit and 50 cents equal to 450 cents.
Assalamualaikum. My name is SYUHADA binti Ibrahim. Number metric A21A3023. Want to present question number 2. And as you can see, this is the question for number 2. Why? Below of the question is the table that I have filled in the answers. From the table given, we get information about the value of P, amount of rent or borrow is 20,000. I, simple interest is question mark because they didn't provide the value. R, rate of simple interest is 2.5% or 0.025. And the future value S is also a question mark since we didn't know the value. The last one is T, times or terms in years is 24 months. So we need to divide it with 12 months. So we get the answer is 2 years. Using the simple formula interest I equal PRT, enter the information given into the formula. I equal to 20,000 times 0.025 times 2. So we get the answer for I is 1,000. For future value, we also use the simple interest formula, which is S equal P in bracket 1 plus RT. Then we put the information given into the formula. So S equal 20,000 in bracket 1 plus 0.025 times 2, and the final answer is 41,000. Next, we move on to find the value of the interest amount and the future value of the loan from Bank X. Given P is 30,000, K equal 3.3% equal 3.3 over 100 equal 0.033, M equal 2, T equal 7, I periodic interest rate equal K per M equal K 0.033 over 2 equal 0.0165. N equal MT equal 2 times 7 equal 14. Use all the information given to enter the formula compound interest for future value, which is S equal P in bracket 1 plus I power of N. S equal RM 30,000 times in bracket 1 plus 0.0165 times 14. So we get the answer for S is 37,724.60. And for interest amount, using the formula compound interest also, which is I equal S minus P. I equal 37,724.60 minus 30,000. So the final answer for the interest amount is 7,724.60. For question B, promissory note for the loan from relative based on table 1. This is the picture for the promissory note. In the promissory note above, the marker of the note is Joanna Arisa, the payee of the note is Aisyah Medina, and the maturity of the note will have to use formula of maturity value, which is face value plus interest value equal 20,000 plus 20,000 times 0.035 times 1.5. The answer is 21,050. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is ATIQAH binti MOHAMAD and my matric number is 8182812. For our company, we have 9 machinery that we use to make a shoe. For example, some of our machinery is hydraulic plane shoe cutting machine with 56,075 ringgit 48 cent, while Strobel sewing machine is only 1,549 ringgit 38 cent. Next is depreciation schedule. We are using declining balance method and sum of year digit method to count the cost of capital asset over their useful life. For declining balance method, the book value of the cutting machine is 56,075 ringgit 48 cent. We count it for 7 years and the last amount of book value we got 499 ringgit 78 cent, which is same as salvage value. The second method is sum of year digit method. For this method, we need to sum and we got S equal to 28. The price for cutting machine is 56,075 ringgit 48 cent minus with 500, then we got 55,575 ringgit 48 cent. This value needs to multiply with fraction of every year. And lastly, we got 500, which same as salvage value. In this slide, we show the amount of the payment. The formula for NP is L times 1 minus R1, 1 minus R2, 1 minus R3, 1 minus R4, 1 minus R5, 1 minus R6, and 1 minus R7. If the company paid invoice on 30 September 2022 and 9 October 2022, then company have 4 and 13 days after the date of the invoice, which is within the discount period. The buyer was entitled 5% and 3% cash discount respectively. Hydraulic plane shoe cutting machine was listed at a price of 56,075 ringgit 48 cent and received an invoice date on 26 September 2022 with term 5/7, 3/15 and n/30. If the invoice is paid on 30 September 2022, the company get a 5% discount with 53,271 ringgit 71 cent paid. Besides that, if company paid on 9 October 2022, the further discount the company can get is 3% with 54,393 ringgit 22 cent paid. So the payment that supplier A will receive is 107,664 ringgit 93 cents.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti SOLEHAH binti SYUHADDIN. My matric number is 821A3116. Now, I want to present about monthly payment for question 4. Based on the bank loan that our company, Snappy has identified in Table 1, at 3.5% compounded monthly is to be amortized by 12 months. So, the calculation, the monthly payment as follows. Firstly, to calculate the monthly payment, we use the formula for monthly payment, which is A equal to P in bracket I divided by 1 minus 1 plus I power of negative n, close bracket. Next, we list the total of formula that we get, which are 300,000 for P, which is present value of the annuity, 1 years for T, which is time of years, 3.5 alias 0.035 for K, which is percentage of annual rate, 12 for M, which is compound interest, 0.003 for I minus K divided by M, and 12 for total number of payment. So, the conclusion is A equal to 300,000 open bracket 0.003 divided by 1 minus 1 plus 0.003 in bracket power of negative 12 close bracket. The end of total is Rm 200,459 ringgit and 8 cents monthly payment. So, based on the bank loan in Table 1, our company Snappy has to amortize loan amount of Rm 200,459 ringgit and 8 cents per month. Next, I will pass to IZNI to continue the explanation about this question.
My name is IZNI AZMAN, metric number A21B2860. I will explain about amortization schedule. So as you can see, the amortization schedule have 9 tables. I will explain how to fill the table and what method that should be used. Okay, for the first table is we need to put the value of period, which is 1 year, so it's 20 months. Next, monthly payment, which is just put the value that we have become cleared. Next, for the total pay, for the first table, put the same value with monthly payment. Next, value total pay need to plus with value monthly payment. Next, beginning balance, put the same value with ending balance. For interest pay, value of interest multiply with value of beginning balance. Next, total interest paid. For the first table, put the value same with interest paid, then the value need to sum with interest paid. Then for principal pay, the value of monthly payment minus with the value of interest paid. For the total principal pay, the first table put the same value with principal pay, then sum with second value of principal pay. The last one is ending balance. Value of beginning balance minus with principal pay.
The lastly is conclusion. There are many applications for strong math skill in the business world. Business majors who wish to focus on final career will need a strong calculus background. Knowledge of the statistics and probability are also vital for final career and figure out prominently in the marketing field too. Business mathematics is important in business management. Business math help in assessing the final performance of the business. It helps in estimating the income, expenditure, along with the risk analysis. It can also ensure that a business works smoothly. Business mathematics is not simply a tool for calculation number. It's also a scientific approach to help us think creatively. With a basic understanding of business mathematics, if firm owner may plan out expenses such as wages payment, current assets purchasing, and so on.